Today is a big day. We are getting a new mattress.
Phenomenal day.
Yeah, our old mattress. We tried. I won't say it's old because it's brand new. It came with our coach, but
Nice try, Fleetwood, but not quite.
not comfortable. We even
quite.
tried a mattress pad.
But
and we got so lucky.
Very lucky. So we got very lucky in more of the ways than one in the bedroom.
Yeah. How did we get lucky? Oh wait, we had to keep
Do you
this
want to know
PG.
that? Yeah.
We went to the United Rally in January, put on by Switch It Up, and
we won. We won a
raffle.
mattress raffle.
Yeah, we basically got a ticket every time we attended a seminar, and then you could choose different giveaways to put your ticket in. And we knew our bed was very uncomfortable, so we said, put them all in.
Put them all in the mattress, and our everyday getaway,
Yes.
Chris and Katrina, they donated this mattress, and we won it. So it got delivered to us a couple days ago, and we're going to install.
Yeah, and we thought everybody would want to
watch
us get lucky in the bedroom. No?
OnlyFans. All right, so here we go. Here's the mattress. It is.
Wow, I can't believe that's an RV King.
Very freaking heavy.
Maybe you should just
wanted to
it's
show.
85 pounds is what it said on the shipping.
It's all of 85 pounds.
We're going to take it out here and then carry it in together. Wow.
There it is.
And it's the Aurora something or another. I'll have to look that up. We should know these
Sure,
things.
you'll put some links somewhere.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Oh, do you want me to help with that? Here. I will help.
Yeah, move the seat back.
Oh, it's all the way back.
Oh, it is?
That or it's not working.
Oh. Man, now get your heart rate up. You think you should be ready for this.
Our bed is tiltable.
Tilting bed. So you have to get rid of the old to bring in the new. Coming soon to Facebook Marketplace, a slightly used mattress.
How are we gonna get this thing out?
I have no idea.
Oh, what was that? Breaking the door? All right. Be careful of the pictures on the wall. Let me just get this.
This is
like a comedy show in itself.
You have to get it down on the ground somehow.
Hold it in half.
God. You know what? Go retilt the thing. Pull the deal back.
Okay. See, you're so smart. Huh.
Here we go.
And what's that gonna do?
Well, I thought it'd give us more room. Maybe it won't. I forgot we had this lip on the end. And this thing's really getting me breathing heavy.
I know, and it's on the microphone. It won't bend that way. It only bends this way.
Okay, hold on. We gotta be smarter than this.
Okay, just do this.
Okay.
Oh!
Yeah, that fits. God.
Oh my God. Keep going. All right, we did it. Now what?
Wouldn't it be awesome if this mattress didn't fit?
What if they send us the wrong size or something? Here, I better put this flat again.
The reality is,
I mean, that would be.
We don't have to put it back into the thing to take it back. This is a really heavy mattress.
I don't know. I hope it doesn't break the bed. It wouldn't be our fault then. Oh, no, wait. This has to go on here.
Yes. So let's put it down. And then
Don't drop it on there like we're doing on the floor. Oh!
There's no way that was recorded.
I'm ready. Ready? Oh! Oh! Oh my god.
All right.
Oh. Moment of truth. God. How could anybody that's like 70 or do this? It's so far away from me. I'm short. Oh, I guess it has to be on one. You think it's gonna go that way?
I have no idea how to open it.
Okay. When it does, it's gonna.
All right, we're almost there.
Oh, here we go.
We've got air.
I think it's gonna go this way. I mean, which way's the top? Uh-oh.
What?
This is the bottom.
Okay.
Should we cut it? I don't want to accidentally cut the mattress, but
No, we can cut right here. Yeah.
it would make this go a lot quicker.
All right, ready?
Whoa.
All right, so.
Well, you know, I wonder if we should like cut this off so we don't have to like try to pull it out from under it, but I don't want to rip. Oh boy, here we go. We better get this thing figured out quick because we're not gonna be able to flip it over. We know that already.
It's up here. Let's see if we get this back in.
What? Snacking?
Back
in. What are you trying to do?
Like, push this up.
I'm trying.
Like that. All right. Yeah, how are we gonna get the plastic out?
This thing's gonna fill the whole room.
It keeps getting bigger.
All right, get some scissors. That way we're not slicing our new mattress up. Okay, I guess just go up the sides too and
Man.
huh.
Wow. That's not very well, does it? Oh, there it goes.
All right, well, here's the mattress. It's got a cooling upper layer.
She's got all the impressive terms, doesn't she?
And let's
It's quite huge.
here, let's try it out.
Let's try out the bed.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh wow.
I wouldn't jump.
It's very high. Wow. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think we're gonna
Wow.
sleep in here tonight.
It's a great idea. I like how you think. Well, I just want to say thank you to Chris and Katrina
I second that. This is
And
cool. I'm
they-
very happy with their partnership with Brooklyn.
with Brooklyn Bedding. Yes, because all we did was email them and gave them our address, and this thing is, I don't know how much it is to buy, over $1,000.
Like 1,600.
I mean, it was on sale right now, but we were planning on buying a Brooklyn Bedding mattress ourselves, and the fact that we didn't have to is really cool. It saved us a lot of money.
But we will sleep in it for a few nights and then give another update, I guess. I mean, I don't know if we'll say anything bad about it. Man, it feels really nice and cool. We have a thing going on where I'm always very hot natured in bed, and she's very cold. So
I can
this will be great for me, and then she can just put on more blankets.
Yeah. I'll just add layers. Yeah, I mean that's how it goes.
That's what it goes.
But yeah, all right.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Katrina.
Yeah.
Thanks, Brooklyn Bedding.
And
thank you.
Thank you. I got rejected. He
Oh,
walked away. All right, now we're gonna really test this mattress out.
Yeah.
Are you sure it's okay? It's so small.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Sure it's recording?
Don't you wish everybody could be as professional as us with our YouTube channels? How are we gonna get this thing out?
I have no idea.
Okay. This content creating is not easy.